Good morning, everyone. Welcome for day 3. I'm not speaking too loud because my daughter, she's just behind there and she has no school today, so she's still sleeping. Anyway, today, quiet day again. I think it was the perfect week to start this vlog because I'm not too much crowded with work compared to the other weeks I had before. And if we take a look of what I have on my agenda, well, almost nothing. I have a meeting in 30 minutes. And then, yeah, that's it. But what I need to do, because tomorrow I think, a session at 11. I have a session for a customer about Tekton. And Tekton is not the easiest topic, okay? So for people who don't know what Tekton is a CI/CD solution, and we have a master course for this. So I will deliver this master course for a client tomorrow, and I have to do some rehearsal because, yeah, to be able to do my live coding demo well and everything. So I will be working on this, and also next week I think I have other talks that I need to prepare. So I like the days like these days because I can prepare a lot of work for the coming weeks and for tomorrow. That's it. Bye bye. So I was looking at the release notes of Quarkus 1.10.2 that has been released yesterday, and one thing that I noticed here was JSON as default. I say, what? Cool. And JSON as default content type. And that means that you don't need to add producers and consumers if you're dealing with objects, and most of the case you will have to deal with that. That means, for instance, that here, this code here, where I list favorites, well, here I already remove it, but here I can just remove this, and that is going to be so smooth when I will be do live coding, because probably writing consumes and produces was one of the lines that cost me the most time, and that works. Okay, so if I do now my well, let me do my curl here. Favorites, I don't have a favorite, and if I do a post feature bread, I can just do my post there. But I noticed one thing, and I need to ask that, is I got an issue with OpenAPI. So if I load OpenAPI for my get, I can probably try it out without an issue. Yeah, I got here my stuff. But my post, if I do try it out, well, it doesn't recognize here the schema, so I cannot try out my post. Let me see with the team if that's something that we can fix easily or not. So, oh yes, so one thing I need to do this morning, because we are in December, is to do my log of my activities of November. I should do that every day, but I'm lazy and I do that at the end of the month. So basically I have to put here in this sheet all the sessions that I delivered for customers or for conferences, and to put how many people were there. And so since I did a lot this month, I have to go back in my calendar to see what for sessions I delivered. So I'm going to do this now. It will take me a while. So I finished my report here. I don't show you everything because there's some sensitive data, but look, that is for November. I delivered 20 sessions in total, and since April, 76 sessions delivered. So that is a lot. And December will be a bit quiet, I hope so. And yeah, next year we start again. So I opened a bug for the Quarkus stuff that I mentioned before with the content type. So it's easy, it's fast to do. You just put the steps, a screenshot, and as Philip is already looking at it and he will fix it. And yes, that's the magic of open source. I love it. So today I didn't record too much. Oh, by the way, funny how the chroma key act on this yellow stuff. Anyway, I didn't record too much because this morning I did some stuff, I worked, and this afternoon I took it a bit easy because since a long time, since long weeks, it was the first afternoon that I didn't have any streams or customer engagement. So I went in a shop to collect something for my daughter, and there was also a Lego shop, and oh, I could not resist because it was out of stock since several years already. Since 2 years I couldn't find it anymore, and it's back. So I'm as excited as my son. So I got now the Saturn V, and we will start building it maybe this weekend. My son, he wants to start now. Anyway, it's almost late and I still have work to do because tomorrow I have a Tekton master course for a customer, and so what I need to do is to set up a cluster. Okay, and after that I need to take a look at the Tekton tutorial. Okay, so I did it 2 or 3 times, so I know a bit how it looks like. You should see that, yeah, because I realized that this morning I did a lot of videos without the green screen. So anyway, there's the tutorial. Yeah, I have to, the first parts are easy: pipelines, tasks. I need to check workspaces, private registry, triggers, and triggers. Yeah, so I have to replay the whole tutorial by myself. I will start tonight and tomorrow morning, and that's it. I will maybe do a last video tonight, and then I will assemble that and put it online. Okay, bye bye. So I'm spinning up a new cluster on OpenShift, and I do that on my other computer, which is if you look at this camera above here, I got here another computer, my Linux computer, and I got all my credentials and stuff like that there, and it's pretty easy. Maybe I can show you that. Maybe I can add a video capture device, and then I say I add my capture cam. So here I capture the screen of my other computer. I think I don't have any sensitive stuff to show here, so I can do that. Let me put it in front. Let me put it a bit bigger. And there, maybe you can see it. It's not so clear. How can I make it bigger? Okay. Wow, that's weird. I don't know if you see it correctly. Things are appearing really weird on my side. But anyway, I got a small tool called OpenShift install. Oh, there you see it. And I can create a cluster. So here I say I want to use my public key here, and here I can choose on which provider. I will do that on AWS. And where will I spin it up? In Paris. Paris works great for me. Okay, that is my domain name that I already have. And cluster name, so it will be for Orange, and it will be Tekton. Let's call it just Tekton. Okay, and then I have to pull my secret. Yeah, I can grab that. I just push my secret here, and there we go. And now he's going to spin up my cluster, and it will take around 20-25 minutes. on Amazon, and I will have my cluster running. Okay, it's that easy. Yeah, of course, beforehand you have to create. There's some configuration to do. I did that back in April, but once you have this configuration, and I have it only in this computer, that's why I do it in this computer. It's, you see, just a matter of a few steps, and I get a cluster running. So that's it. While it's up, spinning up, I will work on my slides. Oh yeah, maybe I can show you that. So usually, oh, I'm not connected anymore. Let me see. Let me go to dn.dev/Tekton-master. That should bring me to my Tekton slides, because we always have a bit of slides. There we go. Lectures. Oh, I'm not connected. So let me connect. Let me connect to my. Yeah, I'm not connected anymore. So here I can connect to my computer, and here I'm using my token. Well, I'm connecting to my Red Hat account. There we go. I should be connected. Oh, it didn't work. Okay, let me try it again. It's not the most exciting stuff to see here, but okay, and I should be connected now, and if I go back here to my dn.dev/Tekton-master, I should be back here. Okay, my connection is really bad, and I'm on the 4G. Okay, so that is the slides that we share with everyone, so you can see that sometimes it's blur. And let's see, I have, oh look, last time someone did the stuff was me, so I don't have to change the slides. Okay, I see you back in a few. So I'm still waiting for my cluster to boot up. It's almost done. And while I'm waiting, I'm reading, I was about to read this blog post from Google Cloud. How computing has evolved and why you need a multi-cloud strategy. That's good. We are trying to focus a lot at Red Hat about multi-cloud hybrid. So let's see what Google has to say about this. Okay. So I got my cluster here, so I can start configuring my workspace for tomorrow. Well, my namespace. So it's Tekton tutorial. So that is here. Let me do a new project. Create project Tekton tutorial, and I need the Tekton operator, well, the OpenShift pipelines, because I will be using OpenShift pipelines, which is the product version of Tekton, but in the end it's exactly the same. Now I just go to the operator app, command, and even if I look for Tekton, it should appear, I'm sure. Tekton, yeah, there we go. Red Hat OpenShift. Install, let me see, OCP update channel now 4.5, because I'm, what for cluster do I have? About, let me double check, 4.5.7. so just to be sure, let me go on 4.5, and that should be good. There we go, and my operator is going to be installed. That's it. Okay, that's it for me tonight. See you back tomorrow morning for another vlog day. Have a good evening. Bye bye.